What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, welcome. This is the Millennial Family. Just kidding.
Hello, this another.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back. Giving me signs that I've seen before.
Welcome to another video. Today, as you can see by the title, we are going to be organizing / decorating our dresser in our bedroom. So I'm excited. So I did a Target haul on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, make sure you follow me there. But I did a Target haul, and most of the stuff that I purchased was for what's behind me. So let me show you guys what it's looking like right now. Okay, guys, so honestly, like, as you see, there's a little bit of literally everything. Where are you about to go?
Lay down on the floor. I'm gonna massage my back.
Oh, don't shut the door. Why are you shutting the door?
I wasn't trying to be loud.
There's a lot of stuff here that some stuff I need to figure out a place for. Some of this stuff, most of the stuff just needs to be thrown away. Like, a lot of this I haven't touched. Like, we got a comb here with all this like hair in it that just needs to be cleaned off and into the bathroom. A lot of like snot tissue and just Q-tips. Like, child, honey, we really putting it all out there for y'all today. So anyways, I've been like saving this candle because one, is my favorite and they sold out. So I should have just bought it when she restocked. But two, I also want to like refurbish this, use it for something else. So it's just like little things I've been holding on to. Things we used for props that I don't know what to do with. So let's just clean it off. I want to know, like, do you guys keep like boxes like this for your electronics? Do you keep the box? Like, what if you want to sell it one day and it might get more money because you have the box? Like, you know what I'm saying? Or get sold better because it has the box? What do y'all think? Comment below, because I keep all the boxes and then eventually they just create clutter and I end up throwing them away anyways. But I don't know, child. But step one, we need to clean this off. Okay, so the table or the dresser is cleaned off of things, but it's not actually clean. I was told to use Pledge, but I'm gonna try that and then see how it goes from there. But a lot of this stuff is like stuck on there, like stickers and stuff. So I'm gonna get off as much as I can on the surface, and then whatever I have to just hide with Decor, I can just hide with Decor. It's really not that big of a deal. The only people who aren't really seeing it is like us. And if y'all are seeing in videos, you can't really, if something's covering something, it's none of your business, it's my business. So anyways, I'm about to try to find something to clean this off with, because I actually don't think I have any Pledge and I don't really want to wait. So let's just go see what we can find. Oh yeah, and I did put all the things that I want to like actually keep on top, or like things that I need still on the table, on the bed. So it's pretty much everything I like organize off of the thing. But most of the stuff just got thrown away. So, but this is literally my last Clorox wipe. So let's just see what happens. Disgusting. Okay. But it looks a lot better, believe it or not. Aside from that stuff. So remember, I told you in the beginning of the video that I bought some little trinkets and things to go on top of the dresser. This book was downstairs, but I'm actually going to use this for the sake of the TikTok, but not the actual video. But these are more so the things that I plan on putting on top of the dresser. I did move the mirror from right here to right here. So I think I like that. I think it's cute. Kind of organize some of the trinkets that I have with some of the decor that I have, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so I just made my TikTok of my new dresser decor. Now that I have it all set out together, I'm not gonna redo it and take it off so that I can film the YouTube video. I did finish the TikTok first before I finished this vlog, obviously.
Make it pop, make that pistol pop. Shawty got a bad boy fetish. Shawty come over and get it.
But I am gonna show you. I think I want to keep it how it is. I think it's really, really cute. So I'm gonna show you real quick. All right, so we kept it real simple. I took the mirror that was on the other wall and I just leaned it against it. I was gonna put it to the side, but one, you couldn't see it. You couldn't see yourself standing up, and two, it took up more space from the dresser, like width-wise. Anyway, so I added some books. I'll probably only keep these. Actually, since I'm done with the TikTok, let me take this off. All right, guys, so we're gonna start over here. I have this little tray that I was in my my Target haul for $5. I placed all my glasses here. This is not a permanent place for my glasses right now. I don't know what else I want to put here. Maybe I'll start wearing perfume and put it here, but Dimitri does have cologne that we'll put in this. So I kind of dressed it up with some flowers and these little dollar vases I got from Target. A little Ellie, of course, and a trinket tray. So this is like my bracelets. Once I get rings, I can finally have a place to put them. So yeah, the mirror, and then I have some staple books that I'm reading right now. Well, I actually finished this in the middle of this, and I read this every now and then just to remind myself that I'm a good mom. And then another Ellie, a candle, of course. I need a candle on here, and then this is my phone charger. And so yeah, I felt like the more simple that it was, the more it would come off as cute. This is a hot mess, I know. I need to figure out something for that, or how to get it off, or put something there to cover it. But yeah, I didn't want to put too much on here. I kind of wanted to keep the main stuff, like just like my main go-tos and grabs, and keep it real simple. And I'll probably add some wall decor around the mirror and stuff. But I think that it came out super cute. The room is finally coming together. This is actually the first, rearranging the room was the first part of it all that I showed you guys in part 1 of my home organization. But this is basically part 2 of organizing the dresser and getting some uniformity here and letting it look real nice and cute and put together. I'm excited. And honestly, that's really it for this video. I mean, I just wanted to show you guys how it takes very little to decorate a dresser. So I did all of this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $15. I did dresser reorganization and decor for the top of your dresser. It does not take much. All you need is a nice, cute tray, a trinket, a candle, and like 1 or 2 vases, and you are literally good, and your dresser will look chic and modern and just put together. So it doesn't take much, guys. Just avoid cluttering and have a place for everything. Really, that's all I can say. But I love it. I think it came out really cute. Yay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and could take something away by the end of it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you think I did a good job on the dresser decor. Comment below, #home decor, if you are loving these videos and you want more. I need to know, guys. I need to know what you want to watch. But I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.